Hey guys, I just want to jump on here real quick. Yes, I'm looking through listings. Let's see here. So, something I did not know is when I actually installed Windows 11, because when I had this computer, I had Windows 10 on it. When I installed Windows 11, something I just found out is that you can just change the taskbar settings, and usually it's pretty easy to do this, but for me it was hard because I really didn't know that much about the taskbar settings at the time. But I used to always have it in the center, which okay, I that's how it installed on my computer. But to change it, you go to personalization, taskbar, and then go down to taskbar behaviors and taskbar alignment, which changes it to this. Um, that's basically all I want to say because it's kind of cool that I found that out. And if anybody else is having a hard time like me, that I used to have a hard time like this, it is good to have it at this angle for me because I run a dual monitor setup. So you can also change everything else in the taskbar behaviors. So